Alright, so now we're going to replace the cabin air filter. Most cabin air filters are located near the glove box area. So cabin air filters, its job is it filters the air coming from the outside to inside the car. So these should be changed every 15,000 or 20,000 kilometers, depending on how dirty they get. Usually that's the range that they start to go bad and turn black. So to access most cabin filters, let's open up the glove box. All right, so once we've opened the glove box, usually they'll have tabs on the side that we take off, but this one doesn't have it. And as we could see, there are some Phillips head screws. So it looks like that's what we're gonna have to take off. There's 3 on top and also 3 on the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and take those off and see if we could see the cabin filter behind it. All right, so after removing the 6 Phillips heads, good pull. And it drops down. Now if you look around in this area, you should be able to see a housing. So it's that guy right there. So let's go ahead and remove the tab, and we're going to remove the filter. All right, so for these, we have to pull underneath like so. And then it opens up the little cover. And in there is your cabin air filter for this car. After fighting with it, we are able to pull it now. These ones are a tight fit, so that's why the cabin filter is all squished up. Okay, finally free. Alright, so this one's a pretty bad design. We have to squish the filter to actually get it to go inside. Okay, so it kind of fits snug. Now let's put back the cover.